Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all are fine and safe. Today we are going to learn in Maths Semester 2 Textbook Chapter 11 Unitary Method, page number 77. What is unitary method? The method of finding the value of 1 and finding the value of required quantity is called unitary method. There are two types of variations: direct variation, indirect variation. Direct variation. To find the value of 1 from the value of many, we divide. Cost of many divided by cost of 1. To find the value of many from the value of 1, we multiply. Cost of 1 into cost of many. For example, if 15 apples cost rupees 60, what is the cost of 1 apple? Cost of 15 apples equal to rupees 60. Cost of 1 apple equal to rupees 60 divided by 15. Here what we are doing? Less apples, less cost. So we have to do division. Now 60 divided by 15 is equal to, our answer is 4. Now example 2. If 1 egg costs rupees 3 rupees 50 paise, find the cost of 10 eggs. Cost of 1 egg equal to 3 rupees 50 paise. Cost of 10 eggs equal to 3 rupees 50 paise into 10. Here what we are doing? More eggs, more cost. So we are trying to do multiplication. So 3.5 into 10 is equal to 35. So the total cost of 10 eggs cost is rupees 35. In 1 and 2, we see to get value of 1, we divide. To get value of many, we multiply. These are called direct variations because when number of items increases, cost increases. When number of items decreases, cost also decreases. Indirect or inverse variation. In an inverse relationship, as one value goes up, the other value goes down. When number of men decreases, the number of days taken for work to be finished increases. When speed increases, time taken decreases. Such variation is called inverse variation. Number of men decreases, days taken for work to be finished increases. Speed increases, time taken decreases. Example, if 6 soap bars cost rupees 34, find the cost of 2 dozen bars. 1 dozen equal to 12, 2 dozen equal to 24 soaps. Cost of 6 soap bars is equal to rupees 34. Cost of 1 soap bar equal to 34 by 6. Cost of 24 soap bars is equal to 34 by 6 into 24. Here 6 fours are 24. So cancel 6 and 24. Now above the 24 you write 4. So 34 into 4 is equal to 136. Cost of 2 dozen soaps is equal to rupees 136. Rest of the examples go through from textbook. Read, think and solve. Question A. If 9 kgs of rice cost rupees 113.40 paise, find the cost of 21 kgs. Solution. Cost of 9 kgs rice is equal to rupees 113.40 paise. Cost of 1 kg rice is equal to 113.40 divided by 9. Now, cost of 21 kgs of rice is equal to 113.40 divided by 9 is equal to 12.6 into 21. That is equal to 264.6. Now, our answer is cost of 21 kgs of rice is equal to rupees 264.6. Question D. On a map, 5 centimeters represents 25 kilometers. If distance between two cities on the map is 82 centimeters, what is the actual distance between the two cities? Solution. Write on statements. On a map, 5 centimeters represents 25 kilometers. Distance between two cities on map is 82 centimeters. Distance between two cities in kilometers is equal to how much? 5 centimeters is equal to 25 kilometers. 82 centimeters is equal to, we shall write x to find how much. X is equal to 25 into 82 by 5. 5 5s are 25. So write 5 on the top of 25 and cancel the numerator 25 and the denominator 5. Now here 5 remains. So 5 into 82 is equal to 410. Distance between two cities is equal to 410 kilometers. Rest of the sums you do it. Thank you children. Bye bye.